ketemu lagi dengan saya Hengki from High Quality. Math is easy. High quality, the key to get higher. Okay, now I want to tell you a little about area and volume of similar figures of solids. Yeah, this is taken from post test. Okay, as you can see, this is the questions. Yeah, number one, the masses of two similar wooden boxes, as you can see the pictures. Yeah, 70 kilograms and 9 kilograms. Yeah, this is the smaller is 9 kilograms, and then given that the heavier boxes has a base area. Yeah, the base area is 24 centimeter. 24 meter square. Yeah, find the area of the lighter boxes. Yeah, here I move the picture to here as you can see. Yeah, this is the formula. Yeah, the ratio. Yeah, between the mass and between the length. Yeah, the length of the sides. Yeah, up to you. Yeah, maybe the length or the height. Yeah, is like this. Yeah, and then to find the ratio of the length. Yeah, so we have to cube root. Yeah, to cube root the mass. Okay, the mass like this. We input the value. Yeah, the mass of one. The first mass is 70. The second mass is 9. Yeah, and then I move the picture again here. The big box. Yeah, here. And then this is the second formula. Yeah, the ratio between the area, the first area and the second area. Yeah, pay attention. This is a cube, and then this is the square. Yeah, we have got the ratio between the length. Yeah, so we input here and then we square. Yeah, you can use the calculator and then you count it. We get the second area is 6.11 meter square. Okay, that's it. Next, number two. Number two, here in this diagram, yeah, we we get ST is parallel to QR. ST and QR. Yeah, UT here, yeah, parallel to QP. Yeah, and then PS is here, and then the ratio PS and SQ is 2 ratio of 3. Yeah, 2 of 3. Okay, and then the area PST, the smaller triangle here, PST 20 centimeter square. The area of PQR, the bigger, yeah, the biggest triangles here. Yeah, you have to find, yeah, the area. So as we can see, yeah, this is PQ parallel to UT. Yeah, TU. So and then the angle here PRQ are equal to TRU equal. So the triangle is similar. Okay, and then here I move here. So we can find, yeah, we can find the area of PQR. The area of PQR. Yeah, here. This is the formula. Yeah, the ratio between the area of PQR and the area of PST is the ratio of PQ and PS. Yeah, we square. Don't forget square. Yeah, input the number, the value. Yeah, PQ 5 and then PS 2, and then area of PST is 20. So we input square first and then multiplied by 20. We get 125 centimeter square. Okay, next, trapezium SQRT. SQRT, the trapezium. Yeah, how to find the trapezium? Yeah, let's see here. To find the trapezium, yeah, just minus, yeah, the biggest triangle minus the area of PST. Above here, yeah, just minus 125, we get ya, before, ya. And then minus 20, ya, as we know PST is 20, so we get here 105, ya. Question number 3, RTU over here, ya, over here, ya. So we can use the ratio between PST and RTU, yeah, because PST and RTU are similar also, yeah, as we know. You see here PS is parallel to TU, and then PTR is a straight line, so they are similar, yeah. And then ST is parallel to UR, yeah. Here we can use the ratio, yeah. PST we get 20 PST, and then the ratio of the length is PS ratio of TU, and then don't forget to square, yeah. We get here, and then so the area of RTU is 45 centimeter square, yeah. Next, question number 4, the parallelogram, yeah, STUQ, yeah. Here, yeah, to find this, yeah, we use the area of SQRT, and then minus the area of triangle RTU, yeah. SQRT is 105, we have got from here 105, minus RTU, where is RTU? Here, 45, yeah, minus, we get 60 centimeter square. Okay, that's it. Next, question number 3. Look at the figure. Yeah, this is a container. Yeah, the container is like this. Yeah, pyramid. This like pyramid. Yeah, and then we get here the depth. Yeah, wait. The depth of the water 5 meter. Yeah, the depth of water 5 meter. The volume of the water is 1/8 of the container, 1/8. Yeah, so we can use the ratio, yeah, between the depth and the height of the pyramid. Yeah, here the volume of water, W is for water, and then C for the container. Yeah, the ratio of the volume of water and then the volume of container, yeah, is, yeah, the ratio between the height of water or the depth of water and the height of container. Don't forget to cube, yeah. And then we input the number here 1/8, yeah, because the water is 1/8 times of the container, so we input here 1/8, yeah. And then here the height of water is 5 meters. So how to find the height of the container? Yeah, just here 1/8. Yeah, we cube root of the 1/8 is half here. Yeah, and then we multiply it. Yeah, 5 multiplied by 2 equal the height of container. It is 10 meters. Okay, next, and then the ratio of the area of the top surface here, yeah, to the area of the top surface of the container. Oh, the water to the container, yeah, the water to the container. Here we use the formula, yeah. Don't forget, this is cube and this is square, yeah, area square, yeah. Height, the height of water and the height of container, yeah, 5 and 10. Okay, and then we get here, so the ratio is 1/4, yeah. Next, number 4, the picture is like this, yeah. XY is parallel to RS, yeah, 4 and 8, yeah. SQ is 10, RS is 8, yeah. Find the area of PRS. PRS. Yeah. Here, the area of PXY, yeah, is 20. So we can use the ratio, yeah, between the PXY and then the area of PRS. They are similar. Okay, they are similar. We can use the formula, yeah. Here, wait. This is the first, yeah. Don't forget the formula, yeah. Like this, yeah. 8 is the length of RS. 4 is the length of XY, yeah. Remember, we input the ratio of the corresponding sides, yeah. Corresponding sides, yeah. And then after we input here, yeah. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 square is 4. And then the area of PRS is 4 multiplied by 20. We get 80 here. Yeah. Next, how about the area of PQS? PQS here. Yeah. We use the other formula. As we know, yeah, area of triangle is half multiplied by height and base. Yeah. And then PRS, half multiplied by height and base. Yeah. As we know, yeah, PQS and then PRS, they have the same height, yeah, the same height. Okay, but different base, the same height, yeah. So we can cross, yeah, half divided by half. We cross and cross. Half the height also we cross and cross, yeah. So we get here the base of PQS is 10 here, 10. And then the base of PRS is 8 here. Yeah. And then the area of PRS is 80 from here. Yeah. So we can get the area of PQS multiplied. Yeah. 80 multiplied by 10 is 800. Divided by 8 is 100 centimeter square. Yeah, this is the area of PQS. Next, the last one. The last one, yeah, the area of quadrilateral XYRS. XYRS, yeah. Okay, we get from the big triangle PRS and then minus the area of the small PXY. Okay, 80 minus 20. So we get 60 centimeter square. Okay, that's it. Yeah, done. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you on the next video.